Go.
Creation. Fall in the garden, Cain and Abel. The flood, Tower of Babel. Unification of Upper and Lower Egypt by Pharaoh Menes. Old Kingdom of Egypt. First intermediate period of Egypt. Minoan culture. Call of Abram. God's covenant with Abraham. Hagar and Ishmael. Sodom and Gomorrah. Birth and sacrifice of Isaac. Middle Kingdom of Egypt. Joseph has a slave. Famine in Egypt. 12 tribes of Israel. Second intermediate period of Egypt. Code of Hammurabi. Hyksos invasion of Egypt. Early Middle New Kingdom of Egypt. Moses' birth. Plagues in Egypt. The Exodus. 10 Commandments. Mycenaean culture. Imhotep IV and monotheism. Reign in Tutankhamun. Later New Kingdom of Egypt. Trojan War. Phoenician civilization and the alphabet.